What is that, Snapchat?
No.
Oh.
Silly goose. Hello, Beans. We are en route to go get some food. And then we start the first day of our workshops here in Barcelona.
Sorry.
So this workshop spanned over the course of 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday started at 1 p.m. and finished out at 8:30. And so our first session here is a functional hatha class that Rama led. So, functional movement, hatha style. Then we had a little bit of a break before we moved into our evening sessions. So these workshops are originally Rama's 30-hour immersive intensives, and so I get to be a little guest teacher, do a couple of my own workshops, so I can continue to develop as a teacher, and it's been such a treat. So we just got back from there we go. Well, oh my goodness, technical difficulties. We just got back from picking up a little beverage before we move on to our afternoon session. We had Rama's class, which was like a functional hatha class. It was like 2.5 hours. And now we move into, oh my goodness, I have matcha all over my face. That's so funny. And then we have inversions and arm balances next. So, yeah.
That's 37 seconds. You stay. That's 30 seconds.
Our evening session was a 3-hour workshop on inversions and arm balances. So this is always a super fun way to kick off the weekend, be able to see all of the different levels of practice that we have, all of the different levels of interest, whether it's specific goals or just trying to absorb and learn and connect. So this was a really great session to end our first evening, and finished off with a lovely juicy shavasana because you must. We've done the teaching, and now we're at this, you can't see that very well because of the light, but parking pizza to get some za. And then we start
Trying this myself. It's the morning of March, and we're on our way to teach at Primal Moves. Day two. Ness woke up this morning and she said to me, my papa bought me some pajamas in a dream, and I thought that was really sweet. They were, what color?
It was just a set of a bunch of them.
It was a set. It was a bunch because that makes more sense. Anyways, that's all for now. Love ya.
His little booty and his little front legs keep failing because his dad won't let him go fast enough.
Good fit.
Thank you.
Hot. Professional.
It's been raining since we got here, and so the sun is just hitting extra good.
That's a park where we played. Show them the
This
park.
is the park. He almost flung me off that thing.
I'll show you again later.
You got what I need.
Yay. This one. Now we got this one. And here we are.
After you.
A service. Was an incredibly full day, starting at 9 a.m. with another 2.5-hour practice. We had a little brunch and then moved into a flexibility unlocked workshop. And so that was from 12 to 3 p.m. And then we had another break before moving into our later afternoon session. We had a full day, and I haven't vlogged, but we were in the middle of our sequencing workshop, and everybody's just creating their own sequences. I taught my creative sequencing workshop. Obviously, we teach it together, but it's my workshop. But this is how we were spending our break. And then finished out the night with handstand skills and drills, which is led by Rama.
Hey, what's up? We just got in the taxi and we're headed our way, and we're a little sore. We're a little sore from all the teaching, but that's okay, because we get massage tomorrow, and we're gonna skip dinner. We're not going to the dinner.
Last day.
We're just gonna come home and sleep. And eat food. Yeah. That's my transition.
Made it. Coffee. Peeps again ready. And now we have my intuitive class. So Sunday, our final day, kicked off with a 2-hour practice led by yours truly, which was an intuitive movement style class. I loved it so much. It is so beautiful to see everybody moving in their own ways in a, practice that feels held and led, but allows you the freedom to move as you wish. Love so much. Had some brunch, and then from 12 to 3 we had Rama's holistic patterns workshop, which is just so good.
Taking treatment. We can explore a little bit of active, passive. We can also explore doing a little bit of a twist to one side.
Oh.
Hello. En route to our last session of the weekend.
Yep.
We had a nice longer break on this day, and then kicked back all together at 4:30 for our last workshop, which was intelligent spine. So like back bends and spinal movements, which is always just so juicy. And we were finished.
We've finished our workshops, and I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing so many of these. I thought she was going to be talking, but every now and again I seem to remember to take a video. And now I'm getting scalp treatment because my scalp is very dry and flaky. Like,
You want to show that? Okay.
well, I mean, it's real. I'm not,
It is real.
people have that happen. It's not just me, right?
Correct.
Yeah, it's normal and stuff.
It's a common problem that people have.
I like to think that my whole body regenerates very fast. Like my hair and my nails, they grow.
He thinks he's magical.
And my skin grows very fast, which means that I heal very fast. I recover very fast. That's why I'm never sore. But I also get a flaky scalp. So, yeah. Now we're doing my scalp.
You win some, you lose some. Huh?
She has like a thing that's made for people with lice, I guess. Which is kind of embarrassing, but I don't have lice. She just uses it to get the scalpy pieces off.
Which, like, if anybody on the internet wants to tell me that this is a bad thing to do, please do. I don't know. It just felt like a logical thing to do, but I feel like a lot of people on the internet are going to tell me that this is not the means.
Yeah, maybe if you have any insight, feel free to drop into the comments section how we should go about it. And, like all the natural remedies, apple cider vinegar in the hair. I do the ocean water every now and again.
We're using the jojoba oil. Jojoba. It's H.
And there's like another kind of oily thing that we put on there. I only know how to say it in Portuguese. Not well.
Oh,
Rosemary?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Rosemary oil is supposed to be good for like a dry scalp like that too. So that's what we're doing with our Sunday evening.
Our free Sunday evening.
Yep.
After our very long but very beautiful weekend of workshop.